Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Juanita Living Life Unapologetically Design. I'm getting good at that, y'all. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas number 2. Yes, we are participating in Vlogmas. And today, me and the Santa Claus give a wink and a hello to you beautiful people. How are we today, lovables? We are getting into it. So today's video, we're going to do a little DIY for my grandbaby room. I want to make a little cubby situation. But first, we need to go to Hobby Lobby. Oh, excuse me, not Hobby Lobby. We need to go to the store. Home Goods to see what kind of tea time they're having, because I heard through the grapevine that they had some tea sets out there, and I'm going to check. So come along with me and let's get Vlogmas number 2 on the way. Have a beautiful day, beautiful people. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Juanita Living Life Unapologetically Design. I'm Juanita. Hello, beautiful people. How are we today? Today, we're going to continue with another DIY. Okay? So, for this DIY, I went to the dollar store. They're called woven baskets. I got these. Got 4 of these. I got some zip ties where she keep her toys, her stuffed toys, her little presents, her little knickknacks, her little things was purchased, but the basket itself that holds it is not holdable. It's not holding. It's not giving it. It was supposed to give. I got a dollar store and they had other ones, and I did not like. This is the bottom, the back of it. I had thought about different things, but the ones I was looking at, the baskets I was looking at dollar store, oh, let me move that and bring it down this way, wasn't giving. So I saw these and I was like, you know what, let me try something with this. So what I'm going to do is, let me put it to the side here. It's going to be something simple, something easy. And I'm just going to take these, because you can see there's little grooves on the inside there. Not grooves, little openings. I hope you can see that. We're going to maybe do on the top, because I'm about to get, let's see first. So we do a zip tie. Okay, you take it and let's see, take it and you should be able to. One more time, y'all. You know what it is? I'm gonna tell you what it is. Somebody forgot to put on their glasses. I don't know who that could be. But I pulled it together with a zip tie. All right, I'm excited. Okay, so let's continue. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna do it again. Let's do it again. Okay. Juanita, remind yourself next time. Hope y'all heard that. Okay. And it landed in my hair. Oh yeah, I can see y'all. I can see y'all. I can see y'all. I can see y'all. I want to make it a 4-tier. I'm just going to, because I have 4, I'm going to do it 4. Or I can do it that way, secure it. I'm just trying to see how sturdy it is when I push down on it. All depends if she puts stuff in there heavy, or can I put it this way? Or even that way. I think I like it. All right, let's connect these two. Okay, so she is gonna be very surprised at her new cubby. Let me see. Let's see. Well, you know what I think I should do? I should grab some of her items to see. They're not that heavy, you know? You know what, y'all? It's trying to make me out of line. All right, hold on. Let's see. Where's the little hole at? Where is it? Where is it? This don't have no hole. Hold on, y'all. It's back there. Why I can't see it, y'all? Why I can't see it, y'all? Hold on, y'all. It's like putting it, thread in a needle. There we go. There we go. Try again. Try and try again. The beautiful thing about it, the design that I decide to go with, or which way, I can always go in and clip the zip tie on the inside. I'm trying to be mindful of my shoulder. I can't go but so far with my shoulder. So, oh. Okay. Hold on. Can somebody go on? I know what I did. And here's a tip. Here's a little tip. Zip tie too short though. There we go. There we go. That's the beautiful thing about it. You can do it again. Let's do it again. Show me your design if you decide to go with this, y'all. Give me some tips on. I would love it. Now talk to me. Talk to me. While you're at it, please join it. You like this video, you like anything DIY, the home decor, you know, thrifting, shopping. Don't forget to hit that like button and join the community of love, because I need to talk to somebody. Talk to me. That notification bell. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. Hit it. Hit it. Just be mindful of the hole, because it'll just keep turning around, you know, and around, and around, and around, and around. Okay. Okay, you can put as many zip ties as you want. All right, Cubby. Ew. What is going on back here, y'all? Why you ain't telling me? Oh. Y'all could have told me that. That was just nasty. Where did that, ew. That's just nasty. Ew. Disgusting. As one of my grandbabies say, disgusting. Yep, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to secure it. Okay. This is the final result. When I tell you, I love this design. I love this. Oh my goodness. I love it. And the beautiful thing about it, the way I have it sitting up, it can sit it flat, right? Or on the side, still do the same thing. You might even be able to add more stuff in here, right? And the little pink cubbies that I took was from her other stand that didn't hold up to what it was supposed to do. Yes, I'm loving this. And here we are. And as she add more stuff to her collection, we can always flip this up and sit everything in there. Same idea. All right, I hope you guys love it. Here it is, my DIY on Cubby.